Octopus team, my this problem handset. Okay, this problem handset. Cut my credit. Okay, so next. Okay, so my 100 credit out, so follow this credit. Zero my credit already. 2 IME 200 credit no back, but handset customer return, so IME serial number post not okay. So next customer return box but set not okay. So please Octopus team, my credit return my account 100 credit. This phone is not working. Okay, I try this solution but not okay, but credit my out, so return my credit. This follow this option. Okay team, follow this option. So reset option. Okay, cannot set up your device. This serial number, this IME, and this serial number. Okay, I check history. So please my return credit back quick.